on this train near Woodthorpe. So I had to wait till them kids go, but just doing a quick one on this train. And Woodthorpe, Nottingham. So we've got this rain bit on. And doing one of these trees and that. And it's turning out to do one of the train from the old put it in Woodthorpe Park. I might get a free medic job out of this one without getting any interruptions. And that's why the track when it used to run from. I might do a full four with it while, and then I'll be doing some videos on bump and dancing, bouncing and blasphemy, captain. Might get one information as well. Then them teenagers are cleared on. I've videoed this before, but I thought just do a re-video. I mean, I'm not gonna bother with the sound thing, but I'm just gonna do a video of this one. Now them teenagers have gone, so and I'll upload this tomorrow. So one of these train tracks, so it's been here for quite a long time in Woodthorpe Park, so I'm gonna go now. Cheers, peeps. And it's been here, I would say so during that, but it's been here since 2002 and that, so that's one of the train that needs to run in Nottingham. Alright, cheers, peeps.